Hello students, welcome everyone. As you all know, our school is organizing online summer camp for you all. So as you all know that the primary purpose of these types of camp is the educational cultural development. Okay, so a summer camp it also allows children to learn new skills. So I think in this summer camp you will learn a lot. So here we will start with our mathematics session. We will discuss few of the tricks from the Vedic maths. Okay, few shortcut tricks so that it can make your calculation faster and easier. So first of all, we will start with Vedic mathematics. That what is the means of the Vedic mathematics? So the term Vedic, it comes from the Sanskrit word that is known as the Veda. It means education, knowledge. And this Vedic math, it is the collection of many sutras with the help of which we can solve math problem easier and faster. Okay, it also simplifies our arithmetic operations, and these formula it is found acceptance across the world. Worldwide, it found the acceptance. Okay, so Vedic maths it is the ancient method of solving mathematics problem, and later it was discovered by Sankaracharya Bharati Krishna Tirtha. He is also known as the father of Vedic mathematics. Okay, so before we start our tricks, before we start how to solve the maths in a easier way, what are the easier tricks, what are the shortcuts tricks? First of all, you should know about Swami Sri Bharti Krishna Tirtha. So Jagat Guru Adi Shankaracharya Sri Bharti Tirth Ji Maharaj. So between the time period of 1911 to 1918, he rediscovered the 16 sutras of mathematics from the Earth Ved. You know, na, the Vedas from the Earth Ved. It is the ancient system of calculation. And these sutras, they are collectively, later it is known as the Vedic maths. Okay, these sutras they are derived from the Ganit sutras. They are known as the Sulabh Sutra. Sulabh, the meaning of Sulabh is the simple system of mathematics. Okay, initially these sutras were in Sanskrit, which was difficult to understand for the common man. Okay, we cannot understand it easier. But the Swami Tiraji, he decoded it so that it is easier for us to understand. So once we go through his researches, it based on the 16th sutra and they further divide it into 13 sub-sutra. So each and every part of the maths we can easily correlate it with. And once we know about the Swami Bharti Krishna Tirtha Ji, initially when he was in his childhood, he was known as Venkatraman. He was born on 14 March 1884 at Tamil Nadu. He was very genius. He collected master degree in 6 subjects: Sanskrit, English, history, psychology, philosophy, then mathematics, science. Okay, from where? From the Bombay Center of American College of Science from New York. And when he was into his sannyas during July 1919, he was named as Sri Bharti Krishna Tirtha. Okay, Venkatraman, he was named Sri Bharti Krishna Tirtha in July 1919 by Sri Trivikram Tirtha of Varanasi. And he also appointed him as the head of Dwarka Peeth. Okay, and afterwards he also headed the Govardhan Math till his Mahasamadhi he have taken in 1960. So this is all regarding Swami Bharti Shri Krishna Tirtha. Now few of the tricks we will discuss. Only few tricks we will discuss in our this session. Yeah, we also discuss other tricks also. Keep on watching, keep on seeing the videos we are updating. So just see what is the first trick. First trick is when we have to find the square of a number whose unit digit is 5. Just see what the concept is. Whose unit digit is 5 and we have to find the square of that particular number. So with the help of this Vedic maths, with the help of these shortcut tricks, it is very easier for finding. For example, just take an example, this 55. Okay, so what we have to do for the last two terms, okay, for the last two terms, we just find the square of 5. Okay, it is always 25. Last two term, it is always 25. So 5, what we are getting 25 here. Okay, if we are having two numbers, from the last number, this 5, we are getting here 25. And for the initial number, what we have to do, this 5 and 5 plus 1, we are having 6. So 5 6 is 30. So what our answer will be? 3025. Similarly, let us check this. We are having 75. So just see how we will solve this 75. With 5, we are having 25 at the last. Okay, at the last we are having 25. And 7 8s are. What 7 8s are we know? We know it is 56. So the answer we are having 5625. Okay, similarly for 45, just quickly think quickly. 5 5s are 25 and 4 5s are 20. So 2025. Okay, same trick with 205. 5 5s are 25, 25 at the last we are having, and 20 into 21. 21 twos are 40 and 0. So 42025. Okay, so simple trick we are having. Simply we can solve it. Just for the and term, we are having the product, we are having the square of 5. And for the initial term, the number multiplied by the successor of it. Okay, just have a look to our next trick. What is the next trick? We have to multiply a number by 5. When we have to multiply a given number by 5, now, when we have to multiply, we are having two types of number, even and odd. When we have to multiply it 5, we are having two options. Whether the number is even or whether the number is odd. Just see, when we are having the even number, in that case, what we need to do. Okay, just see what the number is. 2464. It need to be multiplied by 5. It need to be multiplied by 5. So what we will do? Just we take the half of the number. What we will do? We will do the half of the number. So half of 2464 is just see 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay, and we add 0 after it. So directly we are having this as our answer. Directly we are having the answer. No need to take pen, paper, just mentally we can do it. Mentally we can solve it. Okay, just see, next we are having this multiplication. Multiplication is also easier. You can do it in a very easier way, but by this trick, this is a time saving trick. Okay, when we are giving some exam and we are having the little time to solve the questions, there these tricks are quite uh, easier to solve our question. Quicker we get our answers. Okay, just see, if we are having the odd number, we will subtract 1 from it. So the number we are having 3774. So doing half is very easy. 3 we are getting 1, 1 is carry, we are having 17 8, 17 8, and 4 we are having 14 7. So 1887. And because it is an odd number, so we will put 5 afterward. Okay, we will put 5 afterward. So just see, have a look how to solve the given questions. Just see the first example, it is even number. So quickly we will do the half of it. 4426, sorry, 4423, we will add 0. So 44230. So quickly we will give our answer. Here we will think the number is 9864 because we have to subtract 1. So 9864 means half is 4, carry 1, then 9, then 3, then 4 ka 2. So 4932, and it is odd number, so we will add 5. So quickly we can multiply a number by 5. So now have a look to our next trick. We have to subtract number from the given number, and the numbers carrying 0 only. 1000, 10,000, then 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, we have to subtract it. So this type of subtraction, what we need to do? Okay, just see, we have to subtract it. What you are doing, you are taking carry and carry and carry and carry and so on. You are taking the carry, then you are thinking 999 is here. Okay, so here what the trick is, simply subtract all numbers from 9 and last from 10. Okay, just see, 5 from 9 we are having 4, 7 from 9 we are having 2, 3 from 10, this you need to take care, 3 from 10, so we are having 7. So 4 to 7 is your answer. Okay, let us check these. 8 from 9, so 1 we are having, 5 from 9, 4 we are having, 7 from 10, 3 we are having. So quickly we get our answer 1, 4, 3. Here also we will check 1 from 9, then 8, 0 from 9, then 9, 2 from 9, then 7, and 9 from 10, then 1. So 8, 9, 7, 1. So just you are seeing how quickly we get our answer. Okay, in seconds we get our answer. So it is quite easier for we all. Okay, let us see our next trick. When we are having a large number, okay, and we have to divide that number by 5. Okay, previously what we have seen, that we have to multiply a number by 5. Here what we are having, we have to divide a number by 5. Okay, so when we have to divide a number by 5, just see, a question is given to you that 2128 divided by 5. So when I see the question, what the question is, so simply what I do, I just calculate it. It will be 4, and then it is 2, then it is 5. I'm getting 6, and I point. So simply I will say that it is 4 to 5.6. Okay, so verbally, mentally only I am thinking and I am giving the answer. How I am doing it? Okay, so just see what the steps are. Whatever the number we have to divide. Okay, whatever the number we are having, we have to divide it. What we will do? We will multiply the number by 2. Okay, we will take the double of that number, and just we will shift one decimal place. We will shift one decimal place. Okay, for example, just see 245. So just we see that the twice of it is 245, it is 490, 490, and we will shift the decimal. So just see one decimal we have shifted. From where we will shift the decimal? From the right side. From the right side we will shift the decimal. So the answer is 49. Just 49. Okay, just see one more example. 2129. We are doing the twice of it. 98, then 15, then 2, and then 4. So just shift the decimal. 4 to 5.8. Okay, so just see, we will see it, we will do the twice of it. Okay, so it is 2, 0, 1 carry 89, then this will be 12 and 3 and 3. So 3, 3, 9, and here what we are having 0 and 2. 3, 3, 9, 0, 2. Okay, but we are getting 3, 3, 9, it is 0, and it is 0. Okay, and 2. And what we will do, simply we will put the decimal. So it is 303.90.2. Okay, simply for the next one, we will do the twice of it. Will be 4. It is simple one, 4224, and we will put the decimal. So 422.4. So these are the simpler way for finding the solution of the given question. Okay. So this is all regarding our today's session. In the next video, we will discuss more shortcut tricks so that it can make your math easier and your calculation simpler and faster, and you can do it in the very interesting way. Okay, hope you all are enjoying your summer camp. Till then, thank you. Take care, all of you.